What's going on?
Hey,
What's going on?
you're driving like a f***ing mug. If you start it again, I'll put a bullet in your head.
What?
What did you do?
Well, some people are crazy. That probably would be the best description of it.
So that guy is crazy?
Well, what do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
But what did you do wrong?
Nothing really. He was driving really fast.
You were driving really fast?
No, he was driving really fast.
And before that, the UK's official number one.
Yeah.
From Adele.
And then he
Halloween.
it's your
Halloween,
fault?
if you will.
Yes.
So, coming up.
Grab some wine at my bar.
Perfect. Your bar. Tell me about that.
It's at my house.
Nice. Okay. Describe your bar to us.
It's round and it has a lot of wine in it.
Okay. What do you want at the moment?
I'm on a little, what am I on? A Sangiovese.
To the needy. Now, I also need to get you a visa for South Africa, so can you DHL me a couple of 2x1 inch photos, please?
Do that. Do we need to get malaria shot?
Yeah, we've got to get everything. Do you want to stay at mine because I'll get you a new key cut, or do you want me to look for a place for you?
I got someone over there looking for a place for me, but I bet your place is a lot nicer than ours.
Okay, I'll get a spare key cut then, okay?
Yeah, I'll stay in the guest room or lie on the couch. How about this? I got a better idea. What if you just put a cot in your garage and I'm sleeping there with all the junk?
No, that's not allowed.
The middle lane, coming out of Eastern Lane, it's M3 North only.
We've got a team.
Middle lane is M3 North only.
Thursday. Do you want to come?
I won't be there next Thursday.
No, not my fault, his fault.
Now, remind those who may not remember.
Wow, it's really charging.
Hey, help. Don't measure it, wagon. That is the low loader. Oh, where you going, man? I'm just in back of you, auntie. Oh, Ram's alright.
What the f are you doing? It's on camera. Green light. Green. Camera.
Move back! I've no idea yet. I can't feel my ankle. 2 seconds, I've got music playing. I don't know yet. Are you alright?
Of course I'm fine.
No, I know you've got a fright and stuff like that. So.
I know, I swear that was Amber. I didn't know how something.
Whoa.
What's that?
Accident. There's been an accident. I think. Yeah.
Did that already hit something?
I don't know. Either that lorry's just hit that.
Come on.